Welcome to Science, friends. I am so excited to be doing science today. So we are actually going to talk about the life cycle of a plant. So, um, like I said, because it's our virtual for the whole school day, you will be watching a video and doing your assignments. So, the first thing you need to do on your to-do list over here, so as you can see, I'm on super second grade, Miss Tinsley, Wednesday, and I went down to science. So the first thing you're going to do is watch this video. So good job. The second thing you are going to do is watch this video that says, how does a seed become a plant? And you're going to learn all about how seeds grow, what they eat, what happens to them as they grow, and so on. So once you watch that, you are going to go to Seesaw, and I included the link down here. So you'll just click on that, and then it will take you to our assignment, Life Cycle of a Plant. So in here it says, first, plant the seed. The seed needs sun, soil, water, and air. Then, wait for the seed to grow. Finally, the seed will be a plant. Also, I want you to take a quick look. This paragraph right here uses our sequencing words. First, then, and finally. It tells us the order the plants need to grow. So I just wanted to point that out really quick. But what you are going to do is you are going to use these little emojis. So the seed, the seedling, the tree, water, air, and sun to form the life cycle of a plant. Okay, and then you're going to write, using your text box, some sentences about the picture. Then I want you to use the microphone to explain the life cycle of the plant. So I'm going to show you really quick. If I go on here, so what I'm going to do, I have to actually and Mrs. Eckert put a video over here explaining it as well. But you are actually going to move the emojis to where they need to go. So this is after you've watched the video. We know what plants need to grow and what their life cycle is. So you are going to do this, write a text box, and you will write your sentence. I just wrote a word, plants. You will use your text box, not the pencil, text box. And then you will use the microphone to record yourself reading your sentences and explaining the life cycle. I am excited to see what you guys do with it.